everybody, I'm Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and I have here the Bear electric pot and steamer, so multifunction. So we can use it for a lot of things. We can steam a ramen, we can cook some noodles, nicely packed. Got the lid, ooh, that's cute. It even says hot steam, so you don't get close to those holes. Top parts, the steamer. Got the bottom parts. Very nice. It's a hard plastic, but this has got a ceramic. You can hear it glaze to it. There is a line in here you're gonna see that'll say max, so you don't wanna fill anything above that line. Okay, so we have our pot here. So what we're gonna do, this is gonna get plugged in. This is our steamer. The water's gonna go in the bottom, and then you got your settings. We are gonna give this a wash, then we're gonna put some shumai in here and steam it up. Okay, we are back. We have the water in the steamer. You will see I've got it just below the max level. We have some frozen shumai, and then we have our steamer. So we are basically gonna take this, put it on here, and how cute is this? These little hole, like, you know, there's a little area for each, a little divot for each of the shumai. There's a few extra shumai, but that's okay, because we have a lot of holes for steaming. You can just fit them in there. So we got them in there. We'll just put them around a little bit. We're gonna put our lid on, and then we are just going to plug it in. Okay, and then we're going to put it up to full speed, and it'll start warming up, and then we're going to come back and see how we did. How's this looking? I gotta say, that is looking pretty darn good, and it smells really good in here. So I'm gonna give this another minute. We're gonna take them out, and we're gonna try and make sure they're all cooked up, but I can't see how they're not, because it is doing its job. It is working really well. It's lightweight, it'll be easy to store. So far, 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Ooh, check this out, look at this. Remember, those were frozen. That, hold on. Yep, perfect. Yep, those are perfect. Perfectly cooked. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.